Hey guys, this is Ife from Made of Google, and today I'll be showing you how to share your WhatsApp status to your Facebook story. All we have to do is pick a particular thing we want to post. Then we see share to Facebook story. I click that. Then share now. We'll get a notification that our story has been updated, or better still, we can go ahead and launch our Facebook app and check. That's the sound. Our story has been updated. So yes, this is it. So it's very easy now to share from WhatsApp to Facebook. That's from WhatsApp status to Facebook story. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Have a nice week. Bye bye.